All right, so today's Tuesday. Forgot to do the bot update, but my robot. So just like I kind of mentioned in my other video, the portfolio update, I consolidated a lot of them because I had over 11 robots working. So now I just have, I think about five. One, two, three, four, five. So see this one been running for 8 days and 23 hours. So I started it at the beginning of last week is when I closed out a lot of them. So Solana's finally, in the positive. So that means, the meme coins are probably gonna get their turn. The altcoins, I mean, not the meme coins. The altcoins are probably gonna get their turn to have a little rally. So maybe we can see Ethereum start popping since Bitcoin's been slowing down. So let's see what we got. So right now we're at 602. So let me take note of that number. All right. A lot easier when I only got five. Oh, well, I still can't take no profit out of it. Oh, that's because they didn't make nothing. And then the one I've been running for the longest. Oh, all right, so what do we got? 725.43. So $123. So it can be mad. The bot made $123 profit. Now, one thing that is a big difference is I have more money invested. So as you can see, the spot account still has about $869 that I can invest into the robots. If I do go to actual robots, you can see for assets, there's still $1,800 that the robot has to buy, use to buy, this crypto. So technically, it's still not all invested, but the robot decides when it's gonna buy and when it's gonna sell. So obviously, it needs to keep cash on the side. But if we go to total, I'm in $4,000 now. So I probably could bring up a previous video just to get the exact number, but I do remember it was around like 3,700, somewhere around there. But regardless, now we're reached another milestone, so now we're above 4,000. Let's hope it stays that way and we just keep going up. But total, the profit, $123 out of the bot, and it's been what 8 days since I last took profit. So $123 in 8 days, can't be mad at that. Still on track to make 100% now, well over 100% annually, but still liking it. Gonna keep this running. Don't plan on closing anytime soon. Maybe I might close Solana, but we'll see what it ends up doing. We'll see if I end up closing it, but so far so good. Can't complain.